Assalamualaikum and every good morning to all of our customer, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to present today. My name is Muhammad Adnin bin Othman, student ID 2025498674. I am the digital marketing officer assigned to develop a social marketing strategy for GH Mail Enterprise. The purpose of today's presentation is to explain how digital marketing can increase our brand awareness, attract more subtraction customer, and strengthen customer loyalty through effective social media platform. Business background: GH Mail Enterprise established in 2020 is located Jorantut, Pahang and fully owned and management by Muhammad Adi bin Othman, the business specialist in commercial net house cultivation, proper post-harvest handling and direct supply of premium local rock melon. Grow in where drains soil under protect condition following Malaysia good agriculture practice my gap. Our vision is to become to a leader trusted supply of high quality, resident free local rock melon nationwide, supporting domestic food security and sustainable tropical fruit farming. Our mission to consistently produce rock melon with guaranteed high sweet 12 to 50 bigs, adopt eco-friendly and modern farming technique, and provide fair price fresh produce to both retail, consumer, and business partner. Main product: rock melon. Cocomis melon, also known as a cantaloupe or muskmelon, is popular typical fruit recognized by distinct netted ring and sweet fragrant orange flesh. Highly valued for superior hydration and rich nutrition profile is an increasingly lucrative agriculture commodity. GH Melon Enterprise have four varieties: Permai 5, Charming, Golden Sweet Sea, and Kirin. Current marketing issue. We have four issues. First, law presents no consistent social media active, so many local buyer don't know your brand exists. Two, lack of differentiation. You have a highly your sustainable farm fresh advantage. Customer can tell your melon apart for method option. Three, no direction engagement. No way for customer to ask question, pre-order, or learn about your farming process, so you miss out on loyal repeat buyer. 4. Price: premium melon, cost postage, include box and bubble wrap. Targets audience: demographic, age, gender, level income, occupation, and education. Geographic, local market, state, and nationwide. Physiographic, interest, lifestyle, and buying behavior. Hadley, rich vitamin A and C. Purpose: social media marketing strategy. First, marketing objective customer. For GH Melon Enterprise Rock Melon business, the marketing objective for GH Enterprise as a follow: increase TikTok follower by 35% within 3 months, improve Facebook and Instagram engage rate by 25% within 6 months, increase monthly online sale of premium local rock melon by 40% within the first year, enhance brand visibility as a trusted my gap, complaint, residue-free local rock melon supply. Social media platform. The marketing objective of GH Mail Enterprise are as follow: increase Facebook and TikTok follower by 35% within 3 months, rise social media engagement rate, likes, comment, share by 25% within 6 months, boost monthly online sale of rock melon by 40% by the end of the first year, enhance brand visibility so that at least 60% of target audience recognize GS Mail Enterprise as a trusted local rock melon supply. Build brand authority by highlighting our My Gap certification, reduce free farming, and guaranteed high sweetness 12 to 50 bricks. Content strategy. The content strategy adopt by GH Mellon Enterprise are as a follow. First, behind the scene video education post show our net house farming process my gap, complaints review free practice, and how we ensure consistent 12 to 50 bricks sweetness, big boy trust, and different rate local rock melon from important option. Product showcase promotional campaign share high quality photo, video of fresh rock melon harvested moment, serving ideas and limited time discount, but offer driven online sale and brand recognize. Customer 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 engage strategy. Customer self-pick meeting by sales QR certification. Course with Jabatan Pertanian Negeri Pahang. Give reward. The expected outcome for GH Mallet Enterprise are as follow. First, brand increase brand awareness. More audience recognize our brand as a trust local supply of my gap complaint residue free premium rock melon. 2. High consumer engagement. More likes, share, comment, and active participation in our poll, Q&A session, and giveaway. 3. Increase online sales. Steady growth in order via social media, direct message, and partner e-commerce platform. 4. Expanded customer base. Reach a new buy across Selangor, Perak, and Klang Valley, include wholesale partner, hospitality client, and retail consumer. 5. Improve customer loyalty. Build long-term trust through consistent quality and transparent communication lead to repeat purchase and positive referral. Conclusion. The proposed social media marketing strategy for GH Mellon Enterprise focus on consistent content creation across Facebook and TikTok, include behind the scene farm update educational posts on my gap complaint and radio free rock melon farming, product showcase, and interactive engagement activity. The approach directly addresses our current gaps in limited online presence and weak branding, while highlighting our unique advantage: local grow, premium rock melon with guaranteed high sweetness and quality. No cooking, quick snack, and simple. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget, follow, like, and share TikTok and Facebook. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.